Want to take your Tesla to the next level? Stick around as we reveal the must-have accessories you don't want to miss. Car USB hub charger for Tesla Model Y, 2021 to 2025 and Model 3 2021 to 2023. $300T Sunshade for Tesla, Model Y, Model 3. Tesla Model 3 2017 to 2023. Trash can garbage bag. Screen protector for Model Y, 2024 to 2020. Model 3, 2023 to 2017.
Toddler is going
Car
to grab some
eating
lunch
food table
and get
Alset
cozy
tray.
and eat it from the comfort of our car. I found the Tesla Alset tray and I am super excited because this thing is about to revolutionize our lunch times in the car. It's super simple to set up. You just unfold it, swing the clips into place, and slide it right onto your center console. We fit our whole meal on here and didn't worry about any tipping or spilling.
Hey there! Got a suggestion for my next video? Drop it in the comments. Your ideas drive this channel. See you in the comments.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.